In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the auto reply in Zendesk. This can help ensure that your customers are receiving the right information, and it's an important step in providing excellent customer support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log in to your Zendesk account. To do this, head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-in button located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click that button, enter your login credentials, and hit the sign-in button again. This will bring you to your main dashboard, all set to make some changes. Next, we need to navigate to the Admin Center. On your dashboard, look for the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that, and a menu will pop up. From there, select Go to Admin Center. This will take you to the area where you can manage various settings for your support system. Now that we're in the Admin Center, it's time to search for triggers. At the top of the Admin Center screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on that and type in the word trigger. Press Enter, and you should see a list of results. Look for the option that says Triggers and click on it. This will display all your automated workflows, which is where the magic happens. From here, you want to locate the specific auto-reply trigger that you need to change. Scroll through the list of triggers until you find one that's labeled Notify Requester of New Proactive Ticket. If this isn't the exact label, don't worry. Just look for the trigger that corresponds to the notification you want to adjust. Once you locate it, click on it to open its settings. Now we can edit the auto-reply message. Once you're in the trigger settings, scroll down until you find the email actions. In this section, you'll find the email body that contains the message your customers receive. Take a moment to update the text. Whether you want to change the tone, add new information, or simply refresh the message, this is where you make it happen. Make sure that the new message aligns with your overall customer service approach and addresses any current issues or updates. Finally, once you've updated the message to your satisfaction, you'll need to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a Save button. Click that button to finalize your changes and make your new auto-reply live. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the auto-reply in Zendesk. Remember, keeping your auto-reply updated can greatly enhance the customer experience, ensuring they feel acknowledged and informed right from the start. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more helpful tips. Happy support managing!